get in your right mind. You can get glad in the same pants you got mad in. I'm sure you heard your mama tell you this. What are they talking about? Changing your state, the way you feel, your attitude. And you can change it this fast once you learn how. No, Shane, you don't know me. Yes, you're just like everyone else because I'm the same way. We do it all the time. I'll give you an example. You're at home, everything's chaos, everything's going nuts, and you're yelling, hey, don't do this, hey, don't do that, and all of a sudden the phone rings. Well, hello. Oh, yes, everything's wonderful. How'd you do that? You changed your state. You did it that fast too, because you know how to do it when you want to do it. Now, let's look at performance at work and sports and all kinds of things. Look, when you learn how to change your state, you can perform better. Plain and simple. Athletes, they have a ritual that they do before they go out and perform. Now, when it comes to business, we automatically forget, oh, wow, I forgot. How did I do it in sports? If you remember what you did in sports, you can do it for when you're in business. Guess what? When I want to get ready for sales calls, boom, I slam on my headphones, turn on the right music, and then in moments, boom, I'm ready. I have a system to put myself in state. And how fast can I put myself in state? That fast. How often? Whenever I want. Why? Because there's a system to it to unlock it. I don't have to have the certain time of day. I don't have to have any of this other stuff. I just have to know the system. So figure out the system that you already know. It's not that you don't know what to do. You just don't do what you know.